In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Analytics on Woocommerce, a process that should take just around 5 minutes. This short tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance their Woocommerce analytics by integrating Google's comprehensive data tools. So, let's jump right in and make your site smarter. First, we need to head over to wordpress.com, which is the starting point for building and managing your WordPress site. Open your browser and navigate to wordpress.com. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see the login option. Click on Login to proceed to the login page. Enter your credentials carefully so you can access your WordPress dashboard effortlessly. With access to your dashboard granted, we now need to explore the plugin section. This is where we'll be installing the tool that will help us integrate Google Analytics. On the left-hand side of your WordPress dashboard, there's a menu. It's impossible to miss, and here you will find the Plugins option. Click on it. Next, it's time to move forward by adding a new plugin. This can be done by selecting Add Plugin from the Plugins menu. This will lead you to a new page with a myriad of options for plugins that you can install on your WordPress site. But don't get distracted by all the shiny options, because today we're focusing on just one powerful tool. Type SiteKit by Google into the search bar at the top right corner of the page. SiteKit is the plugin that bridges Google Analytics with WooCommerce seamlessly. The search will yield results, among which you should see SiteKit by Google. It should be easily recognizable with its familiar logo. Select SiteKit by clicking on it, which will redirect you to the plugin's dedicated page where you can learn more about what it can do if you're interested. But to keep things simple and on track, our next move is to click on the Install button. This will immediately begin the installation process, which might take a minute or two. Once installed, a button will allow you to activate the plugin. Make sure to click on it, as activating the plugin is crucial for it to function properly on your WordPress site. This small action switches on SiteKit's magic powers, making it fully operational. And there you have it. You've successfully installed and activated Google Analytics for your WooCommerce site using SiteKit. This tool will now start collecting valuable data that can help you understand your customers' behavior, optimize your site, and enhance your business strategy. Keep exploring what SiteKit offers, and get ready to transform your WooCommerce pages with concrete data insights. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and happy analyzing!